This Ro-Flo video demonstrates the installation procedures for the single-face cartridge seal that replaces the original multi-piece single-face seal. When replacing the original seal, remove and discard the locking sleeve. Note the orientation of the lubrication point to assemble the new seal in the same position. The original shaft seal design utilized a seal spacing ring with an interference fit. Remove and discard this spacing ring prior to installing the single-face cartridge seal. To access this ring, remove the seal adapter and bearing outer race. The spacing ring will need to be heated for removal. Be sure to follow fire safety precautions and be aware that overheating may distort and damage the shaft. Do not use a puller to remove the ring, as it will damage the shaft. After the seal spacer is removed, deburr and clean the shaft, keyway, and the locations of previous set screws to prevent tearing the O-ring of the new seal. Reinstall the bearing and seal adapter. Install a new, lubricated O-ring on the seal adapter prior to reassembly. Torque the bolts to the manual's specification. Lubricate the shaft prior to installing the new seal. Lubricate and install the O-ring onto the seal. It is important to pre-lube the new shaft seal, filling the oil dam. Note that it will take some time for the oil to seep into the seal completely. Install the new single-face cartridge seal onto the shaft. Note that the positioning tabs are still installed on the shaft seal. Torque the seal bolts to 20 foot-pounds using a star pattern. Before fastening the new seal to the shaft, position the rotor in the center of its axial range of motion. Slowly tighten the set screws inside the holes marked with an A in a star pattern. Do not fully tighten one screw at a time, as it will misalign the sleeve. Remove the red positioning tabs inside the holes marked B. Do not remove or adjust the set screws under the red positioning tab screws. These hold the sleeve collar in place when the seal sleeve is not locked to the shaft. Save the positioning tabs; they are required to remove the shaft seal. Exercise the seal by rotating and moving it axially. This concludes this Ro-Flo training video. Please check out the other training videos on Ro-Flo's website.